Stephanie, it took multiple long car rides to Nebraska and pages upon pages of paperwork, but Tanya Keith tells me every bit of it was worth it for her to know her 6-year-old is now vaccinated.
What's better than a playground all to yourself on a sunny day?
Costco with Mom.
For Ayalana, happiness comes in many forms.
I liked to go inside with my mom into Starbucks.
Outings that Ayalana cherishes, but didn't get to take part in during the pandemic over fears from her family she'd contract the virus in crowded settings. But all that has changed, thanks to a 6-year-old who decided to lend a hand, or rather, an arm.
She's my hero that she had the bravery to do this.
Ayalana took part in the Moderna Phase 2 vaccination trial, which tested the efficacy of the COVID-19 vaccine in children.
The risk of her getting exposed to Delta variant in schools without masks and having siblings in 3 different places, the risk of her getting sick was much higher than any risk of complication from a vaccine that had already been tested in millions of adults and had already gone through phase 1 testing in kids.
The daughter of a pharmaceutical chemist, Mom Tanya says she trusted the science when weighing the risks.
It's not just about whether you live or die, it's about what COVID-19 can do to your heart, to your lungs, to your brain, and that's not something that I wanted my kids to ever have to face.
Something Tanya knows all too well after suffering long-haul symptoms of COVID-19 like brain fog and joint pain for nearly a year. She worried Ayalana might share her same vulnerabilities to the virus.
I don't want to see my kids suffer like that.
Outside of a small fever, Tanya says her daughter bounced back from her 2nd dose within a few days, feeling no side effects other than pride in herself.
I felt scared and also happy.
And why did you kind of feel happy? What was the happy part?
It's because I was going to help other people be safe.
Mary Sugden, Local 5 News, We Are Iowa.